I bought the Coolizi portable air conditioner about a month ago. I've been putting it through its paces during the heat waves we've had over the past few weeks, and I went a step further. I opened it up, took it apart, and inspected every component in detail. Before I get into the breakdown, there's something important I need to flag. Be very careful about where you buy this device. The market is flooded with counterfeits, unauthorized resellers, and online platforms that ship units that are literally empty, with zero customer support to fall back on. I've dropped the official manufacturer's link in the description below. That's the only place where you're guaranteed real after-sales support, an exclusive deal, and a genuinely solid refund policy. 30 days, no questions asked. Think about that for a second. The brand voluntarily goes 15 days beyond the legal minimum, because as far as I know, the current requirement in Europe is only 15 days. That means you can order the unit, test it at home, and send it back hassle-free if it doesn't do it for you. Honestly, that's exactly where I draw the line between a brand that stands behind its product and one that doesn't. Coolizi gets it right. Over 20,000 customers have already given it the thumbs up, and that kind of track record doesn't lie. On top of that, there's another major perk. Buying directly from the manufacturer means cutting out every middleman in the chain. The result, serious savings and direct access to the people who actually built the machine. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. I cracked open the casing to understand how this thing manages to cool so effectively without requiring a massive, complicated setup. The first thing that jumps out when you look at the internal components is the careful engineering around airflow management. This is not just a fan pushing hot air around the room. The operating principle is clean, efficient, and reliable. Warm room air gets drawn in through the intake grills, passes over cooling coils that strip out the heat, and is then pushed back into the room as fresh, cool air. Any condensation that forms evaporates internally. No drainage pipe, no water tank to empty, no complicated installation. You set it down, plug it in, and you're done. Next, I checked out the motor block. It's engineered for quiet operation, with quality bearings and solid acoustic dampening built around the unit. The construction effectively eliminates the annoying vibrations you often get with budget models, which explains the near-silent performance that users consistently rave about in their reviews. On the technical side, the unit can bring temperatures down to 16 degrees Celsius in cooling mode, genuinely impressive for something this compact and portable. For heating, the teardown confirmed that the Coolizi uses PTC ceramic heating elements. What that means in practice, temperature rises quickly and evenly, and the PTC technology automatically self-regulates to prevent overheating while maintaining consistent warmth. The unit can reach up to 45 degrees in heating mode, and the heating module shares the same airflow circuit as the cooling function. One turbine, one unified system. A genuinely well thought out all-in-one device. Another detail worth noting is the control board. The circuitry is clean, the soldering is neat, and the energy management is clearly optimized. Power consumption sits well below that of a traditional wall-mounted air conditioning unit. The Coolizi targets only the space you're actually using, rather than burning energy to condition your entire home. Most users report a noticeable drop in their electricity bills compared to centralized systems. Thanks to the oscillation feature and the turbine's output, which I tested at full load with the casing open, the unit can handle spaces of up to around 50 square meters, depending on insulation and room layout. 6 operating modes are available, all controllable via the built-in touchscreen or the included remote, which lets you adjust temperature, mode, and fan speed without getting off the couch. I also went through the built-in safety systems: overheat protection, overload protection, short circuit protection, and a safety grille. The manufacturer has clearly thought through every risk scenario. That level of attention to detail signals a genuine commitment to building a product that lasts. After seeing the build quality and the components up close, it's easy to understand why the brand is comfortable offering a 30-day guarantee. This is equipment built to last, easy to maintain, and it gets the job done with zero installation headaches. No tools, no technician, no hose dangling out of a window. So if you're looking for a technically sound solution and want to try it out with no financial risk, the link in the description is your best move. The 50% discount is exclusive to orders placed through that official manufacturer link, and the 30-day money-back guarantee only applies when you go through that channel. Don't sleep on it, stock is limited and summer isn't waiting around.